Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show followers on Facebook. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. So I'm going to open it. And now you will see a homepage like this. Then normally click on the profile icon on the top right corner or bottom right corner. And then you have to scroll down a bit. From here, you have to choose settings and privacy. And now choose settings again. Scroll down a bit until you get another option, and that is followers and public content. Click on it. And now you have to choose the first option. Who can see your followers on your timeline? So normally click on it and save it as public or friends. So I'm choosing it as public. And now go back to your profile. So I'm just entering on my profile. And if you scroll down a bit, you will get an option here, edit public details. Click on it. And from here, click on this edit button on the details tab. So I'm clicking on it. And now normally check this box. So if I click on this save button, then here you can see that the follower number of my profile has been shown. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to show followers on Facebook. Allah Hafiz.